Okay, so our last project is our fish. You can either have them swimming whichever direction you want. That would be determined when you put the eye on. So again, I'm going to start by pulling off all my little pink covers of my tape. And the ribbon, or the yarn I should say, for this project is multicolored. So your fish will look a little bit different even from my fish. But it's kind of fun that he's all different colors, or she. Since I have boys in my house, I have a son, I'm so used to just referring to everything as a he, so. All right, 2 more to go. There. Okay, so again, I'm gonna take my tail and start anywhere you want. I think I might just start back here. So with the tail, it's kind of, you can just do it kind of, I mean, really any way you want. You can make it so it's very crisscrossed, or if you wanted just to kind of get some good coverage, just kind of wrap all the way around like I did there. I'm trying to get to stick on the end. There we go. Come down, maybe across there. Okay. Now I'm going to work on the body. So I'm just trying to really press down on that corner, on the tip of, just to get some to stick. So I do find it's easy to wrap this direction, but it's kind of to get that crossbody, it helps. Oops. This one's a little tricky because you got the tail. It's kind of gets your yarn caught sometimes, so you just want to be careful of that. And you can choose to stop this at any point, depending upon, you know, if maybe you're wanting the blue to be more of your predominant color on top, or you can keep going and kind of see, looks like I'll be coming into some pinks which could be kind of fun. And again, you should have plenty of the yarn. Apologize if it's moving so much. So if I wanted to come back in and add some blue into my tail, I could. All right, I think this is pretty well covered. So I'm going to go ahead and trim my yarn. And stick it down. There we go. So we can, you know, this fish is going that way. Maybe I'll have this fish going the other direction. So I'm going to grab another glue dot for the googly eye. And put that on. There you go. So this one I didn't cover as much as I did with this one. So you can choose the look that you're going for, but just have fun with it. And that's how you do your critters. So I hope you enjoyed it and found this easy enough to follow along with. Thanks for watching.